Welcome to the Bal Govindam Learning app. Hello, children. So, today is the work of your new English workbook handwriting. So, let's start. So, today I have come with the revision work of letter H. In phonic, we will pronounce H as H. R. In phonic, we will pronounce R as R. Okay. And this is the letter N. In phonic, we will pronounce N as N. N. Okay. And this is the letter of M. So, M we will pronounce in phonic as Okay. So, there are 4 letters of revision. Okay. So, this is the work in your workbook. So, this is the page number. This is the page number 25. Okay. So, let's start. So, we will start first by putting dot like this. This is the dot of H. So, you have to put the dot, one in blue line, second blue line, and other in red line. Okay, like this you have to put the dot in a slant pattern like this. आपको ये लाइन एक ब्लू लाइन में और एक रेड लाइन में बिल्कुल स्लैंट पैटर्न में देनी है, सीधी नहीं होनी चाहिए, इधर और एक ऐसे. ओके, सो हियर वी completed the dot of H. Now we will put the dot of R. The dot will be in between 2 blue line in slant pattern. So first put the whole dot in the line, and this is the letter N. This is also will be the same dot as we have put in R. The 2 line in between 2 line of blue line in a slant pattern, and the same dot pattern is of M also. It will also come in between the 2 line of 2 blue line. Okay, so we have completed all the dots first. Now we will start writing and do the practice of all the alphabets. So first we will practice of H. Okay, first you will put the pencil on second blue line, take upward, then turn and make a straight line upward and out. It's complete your H. Okay, look, first put the pencil on the second blue line, take upward to the red line, then little turn and make a straight स्लीपिंग लाइन. ओके, एकदम सीधी लाइन लानी. फिर वापस इसी को ऊपर ले जाते हुए आप नीचे लाएंगे और इसको बाहर की तरफ ले आएंगे. ये हो गया आपकी एच कंप्लीट. लुक अगेन, अपवर्ड, डाउन, स्ट्रेट लाइन, अपवर्ड and again downward, outside. Look, upward, little turn, make a standing line, then reverse on the same line and make it out like this and outside. Okay, ऊपर एकदम स्ट्रेट, नीचे वापस उसी के ऊपर पेंसिल चलाते हुए इसको घुमाते हुए नीचे की ओर ब्लू लाइन की ओर और फिर उसे बाहर की ओर कर देंगे. ओके, so you have to complete this letter H. H says H. H says H. Hat. H says H. Hat. H says H. Hot. S says H. Hat. Look, we have completed the whole line of H. Now we will come to the move on the second letter of R. Okay, so in phonic we will pronounce R as R. First put the pencil on the second blue line, take upward, then little turn. Okay, make a small slipping line and then one standing line and outside. Okay, it's complete your R. Look, Okay, like this. Little turn, slipping, standing and outside. Upward, little turn, slipping, standing and outside. It's complete your R. R says rose. Rose is a flower, okay? Rose. Rat. Rat means चूहा. चूहा को rat बोलते हैं ना. R says R says okay? R says so we have complete the R line also. So move on the next. This is the alphabet N, okay? This is the alphabet N. N says N says so nest, okay? Nest. Net. Upward, down, again reverse, outside, okay? Upward, down, again reverse on the same line, making your line downward and outside. It's complete your N. Look. N says upward, down, little downward and outside. Upward, down, again the same line, upward and little turn till the blue line and outside. It's complete your N. Upward, down, reverse on the same line and outside, okay? It's complete your N. N says nest. In phonic we will pronounce N as nest. Net, okay? So complete, we have completed this line also. Now move on the last line. This is the alphabet M, okay? So first put the pencil on the second blue line, upward, reverse, down, then upward and outside, okay? It's complete your M. So look, we have completed M. Upward, down, again reverse, one turn, again upward, again one turn and outside. It's complete M. M as mango. M says mat. M says mango. M says mat. Okay, look, we have completed the M also, okay? So we have completed this page, okay? Turn the page. This is page number 26, okay? This is the page number 26 and this is also the revision of letter H, R, N and M, okay? So you have to complete this page also, okay? First put the dot through the whole line and then complete this page also as you have completed this page, okay? As the same pattern you have to complete this page also. There are 2 pages of work. Please do complete by the help of your parent. Thank you.